Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up mobile hotspot on Android. So setting up a mobile hotspot on your Android phone allows you to share your cellular data connection with other devices like laptops, tablets and other smartphones, essentially turning your phone into a portable Wi-Fi router. Now I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how to do this. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your settings. So you unlock your Android phone, open up the settings app, you should be able to find it easily. I believe everyone knows what your settings is. And the next thing you need to do is go to network and connections. So in mine is called connections. So once you've got that, so you tap hotspot and tethering, mobile hotspot and tethering, and then you go for mobile hotspot, tap on it. And now the next thing you're gonna do is you can decide to turn it on. But I don't need that. If I want to set it up, so tap on configure. So once you tap on configure, now what you do here is it can be configured, it can be set up Wi-Fi hotspot, it depends on your phone. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to set up the network name. The network name here, it is the name that will appear in the list of available Wi-Fi network on other devices. You can keep the default name or change it to something more recognizable. I use KittyCat. Next thing you're going to do is security. Now when it comes to security, you have options here. There's type of security for your hotspot, like you have the personal, which is the first one here. We have the WPA/WPA3 personal, and we have the WPA3 personal we have open. Now it is recommended to use WPA2/WPA3 personal or WPA2 personal for a secure connection that requires a password. Now if you don't choose any of them and you choose open, what you're trying to say, in some phones you say none. Now what you're trying to say is that your hotspot is open and unsecured, which is not advised. Next thing you're going to do is you go for the password. Now under here you select a WPA security type. You need to set a password after selecting the WPA type. Now the password you need to set, choose a strong password with at least 8 characters. This is a combination of letters, numbers and symbols. So once you're through, next thing we have is your band. Now this band is optional. Some device allows you to choose between 2.4. So you can see I can choose. Let's see if I can change my band. So as you can see, I can change it, but some devices allow you to choose between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency band. 5 GHz is faster but has a shorter range, while 2.4 has a longer range but generally slower. So the next thing you have also, you have timeouts. So you have timeout. This is the timeout option. That is when to turn off your device when other device is connected. So turn off your hotspot when other device is connected. Now it is optional. They have automatically turn off after a period of inactivity to save your battery, and you can also configure it into the minutes you want. So there's never timeout 5 according to your phone. It depends on the version. Now the next thing you can also do is that you can also decide to hide the network here, so it will not appear in the list of available Wi-Fi. If you want that, you turn this on. They also have protected management frame. This to prevent older devices from connecting. You can also turn it toggle it on if you want. You have your MAC address. You can choose randomize or phone MAC. You have mobile data limit. You can set the one you want to set limit or no limit at all. Broadcast channel, automatic, or how many can broadcast. So that's it. Once you're through, tap on save. That's how to set it up. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.